I'm Jackie, and I live in Brentwood in Essex, and I run a commercial cleaning company that was inherited from my late husband. So it was a family business that, I took over to keep, that going for my daughter. We are quite successful. I've never had a website. I've never advertised. So all you successful women doing all this is so new to me. We've always gone on recommendation. And I still have the original contract that my husband had 53 years ago. And it is a company that probably a lot of you know. It's Bureau Veritas. They're a very, very successful company. They started as a very small shipping company in the City of London, and we've grown as they've grown. We're now into pharmaceuticals and quite specialised. We also look after a lot of very high-profile domestic people, which my daughter deals with. Domestic is not something I go into. I have to say it's too demanding for me, but commercial side of it we enjoy. We employ a lot of women. I've had a lot of young people come to the company that are studying. They just want to earn a bit of money at the end of the month to keep the studies going. And we've watched some of them become doctors, go to university, and they all started with me, over 20, 30 years ago. So their success stories have been good for us.
So what's your call for action now?
My call for action now is I really want to diversify now. I've got to an age where, I've been widowed 11 years. I need to find a nice partner. That'd be nice to spend whatever I've got left with. And I love travelling, and I've been travelling to a lot of hotels and cannot believe the standard that they're expecting their guests to put up with when they go into a hotel room. And obviously, because of my trade, I do go looking. And now I'd like to sort of build something that actually enables me to go to these hotels and advise their care suppliers and the people that are working for them. Take pride in what you do, because someone's always going to report a nice thing about that. Nobody wants bad reports. And I stayed in a very good hotel in London a couple of weeks ago and was quite shocked at the 5-star, but we wasn't actually getting that when we came to our room. I ended up going down to my car and getting my portable cleaning kit out, going back up into the bathroom, and then actually showing them, look, this is what I expect to arrive at. So that's my little project now that I want to launch, because there isn't another company in the UK that actually gives that service. So thank you.